Hey y'all, today we are doing a review and wear test of the brand new Makeup Obsession Mega Conceal Long Wear Concealer with Caffeine. I have this in shade 6. I got this in store at Target. It was $9. They had a whole big display and I really thought, because I love Makeup Revolution or Revolution. I love the brand. I love so many things from them and I really thought I was going to just go crazy. But nothing else really caught my eye. I was looking at a few of the palettes, but they just really didn't wow me. A lot of them were just basic. And I seen one and it was not an eyeshadow palette because it was pressed pigments, but I had it in my hand and I eventually put it back. So this is all we're trying out. Like I said, I did buy this. It is not PR because I know you guys are seeing a ton of videos where a bunch of PR was sent. So I'm giving you my honest opinion. I am fixing to walk out the door. We are headed over to Ulta, so it's going to be a long day for me. We're going to see how this wears. So if you guys want to know if I like this and how long it wears, don't forget to subscribe, click that bell, and let's get into it. Okay, so I have some of the face done. I have foundation on or a BB cream, and I have some bronzer on. All creams, of course. I have not set my face. So this is the shade 6, and in store they looked a lot darker. So we're going highlighted today, guys. This is what the doe foot looks like. It's pretty weird, but we may like it. So I'm going to kind of turn it on its side, and I'm not going to put too much just in case this is super full coverage. Same thing on the other side, and I'm also putting it up on the eyelid. Man, this is a big fat thing here. All right, I'm using my dry, dirty sponge. There's a deer in my yard. Hold that thought. Sorry, guys. So my dog was out, and a doe came right in front of the window here, was walking around the yard, and did not want my dog to chase her. He's a big dog, so. All right, let's go ahead and start blending this out before it starts to set, if it hasn't already. That only took me a couple of minutes, but it is setting pretty quickly. So that's why I'm kind of dragging instead of pouncing, because it has already started to set. Coverage is pretty dang nice, like surprisingly good. I'm really pleased with the coverage. Like I said, this does set pretty dang quickly, but I think it looks really good. I don't even need to apply more. A lot of times I'll put on a thin layer and then add more layers. But I really like the way this looks as is. So I am going to set it really quickly. So this is what we look like unset. And let's throw some powder on if I can find it. If you guys could only see my desk right now. It's pretty bad. It's really bad. But, oh wait, first, let's put on some highlighter. This is the VDL Lumilayer Primer. This is what I use almost every day as my highlight. I grab this Real Techniques brush, pick it up on my hand. I'm so sorry if you hear my dog. He's laying right here at the door and he is crying because he wants back out. And that's just not gonna happen. So you see like this beautiful lit from within glow that this gives. Other side, I also had this underneath my foundation and I mixed it in. And I'm not actually wearing like a foundation. It's the Maybelline Urban Cover. You guys, I legit cannot find my freaking setting powder. Like, I use it every day. Every day. And I cannot find it. Chuck, hush. My dog. I cannot find my regular setting powder. It's the one by Pretty Vulgar. So I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Velvetizer. And I'm way in close so you can see here. Alright, now we're going to push this into the skin. And you can see set versus unset. It looks very, very good. Very smooth. I really like it. Doesn't feel heavy at all. This might be one of my new favorites. It very well may be. I'm going to set these smile lines because I have some horrific smile lines. Let's get real. All right, and this is the face. With the concealer set, I'm going to go off of camera and do the brows really quickly, and I'll be right back. Man, that deer in the yard threw me so way off. It's crazy. So I'm sorry about that in the video. My big dog is laying right here, and he will definitely chase deer. That's why I didn't want him being out there. She's a doe, probably last year's baby, maybe a little older, but she's still pretty small. But normally you don't see deer just walking out in the middle of the morning like that. So that tore my nerves up already, but this is what we are looking like as of right now. I really, really like this concealer. It does set pretty matte on its own. Like, I did not set my eyelids, and they will always crease. Always, with any concealer. And this one, it didn't crease. Like, I was shocked. I was coming back in here to set my eyelids, and they're not really tacky at all. Like, I'm really pleased with this. I think it looks really, really good. Minimal makeup, but I would say it's full coverage. So I am headed over to Ulta in Lexington. So we're gonna have a really long day. It is very, very hot out, very humid. So we are gonna see how this wears, and I will see you guys way later on this evening. I started filming at 8 this morning. It is now 5 o'clock. So this has been on 9 hours, and I really, really enjoy the way that it looks. It didn't crease much. It did not accentuate my pores when I first put it on or after. It did oxidize. Well, I wouldn't really call it oxidizing. I think it got a little bit darker once it kind of sat there for a minute, which I appreciated because it was far too light. But I do like the shade. It gives me a highlighted under eye, which I like a lot of the time. It's just really good. $9, I think that's a pretty fair price, and you do get a good bit of product. So honestly, with the way it has worn, and let me show you guys up close here. Again, this should be up here. My Botox has just made this droopy, where I get Botox for my migraines, so we try to focus on the good side over here. But you can see it looks beautiful still after 9 hours, you guys. 9. So I do recommend this. If you are around a Target, I would grab it, pick it up, see if you like it. For the price tag, you really can't beat it. If you want full maximum coverage, I would still go with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I still think it has more coverage than this, but I don't know where the caffeine is on the ingredients list, but caffeine does depuff, and I mean, I like the way it looks. I like how it sets on its own. If you were doing a super quick look, you wouldn't even have to set this. So I do appreciate that aspect of it. I will keep using this, and I will let you guys know down below if I end up liking this better than the e.l.f. I don't think that I will, but you never know. So yeah, I definitely recommend. If you guys pick this up or any other products from this line, let me know. Like I said, I didn't pick up anything else. Nothing else really caught my eye. But if something's really good, let me know. And I have an Ulta order in with a ton of new products. So hopefully I get that super soon. and we are going to start getting these videos out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.